Hello everyone and welcome back to Umbria. We are in the center of Italy, right in front of Lago Trasimeno that you can see on my back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are going to discover together a beautiful holiday home. It is a former farmhouse that has been fully restored and now has an incredible swimming pool and this view. The property also includes its own olive grove and vineyard. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are on a strategic position. In fact, we are just a few minutes away to the border between the region of Tuscany and Umbria. For this reason, we have the lake view, which is in Umbria, just 10 minutes drive from here to Tuoro sul Trasimeno and Passignano sul Trasimeno, which are two of the most charming villages on the lake. And at the same time, we're just 15-minute drive to the charming hilltop town of Cortona, which is in Tuscany. In terms of airports, we are 30 to 40 minutes to the airport of Perugia in Umbria and about 1 hour and a half to the airport of Florence. The property includes 8.6 hectares of land, which is over 20 acres. Within that land, we find 7,600 meters of beautiful lawn with a swimming pool and outdoor terraces. And right behind me, you can notice the 3.4 hectares of vineyard, which is an EGT vineyard, and also about 3 hectares of olive grove. At the moment, there is no wine cellar or olive mill production. They can be purchased additionally together with as well additional vineyard and olive grove, or very simply, the production can be outsourced, minimizing the expenses and the labor, and you can still produce your own wine from this incredible property. Conveniently positioned right in front of the farmhouse, we find this incredible 12 by 6 meters swimming pool with its own infinity edge all around and beautifully paved with travertino marble. All around the terrace we find this manicured lawn with ancient olive trees and beautiful flowers. Let's now look at the outdoor dining space. The lodge on the front is a perfect spot to relax. It's always shaded, has some beautiful original details with the beams, the terracotta and the stone on the floor. We find a sitting area on the end side and a long table on this part, close to the kitchen, which is amazing for outdoor lunch or dinner with this view of the pool and the lake right behind. The home has several accesses on the ground floor. However, starting from the main, we find on my right a service bathroom and then just a few steps and we get to the living space. You can already notice these beautiful arches and the wooden beams. On the floors all over we find travertino marble just like outside around the swimming pool. There is air conditioning and heating. We pass through this arch and get to the dining space with a working with wood fireplace, a long table passing through another arch. All of these spaces in ancient times were used for animals to stay. So there were troughs on these sides and the owner of the property used to live upstairs. We keep going on this side and you can see the space is huge. You can host up to 10 people on this table. There are windows on every side, so it's full of natural light. Through this arch, but also through the sitting area, we get to the kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped and the colors are matching. In fact, this top is the same as the floor color. There is this beautiful sage color which gives it a really rustic and countryside look. The furnishings are complete with a storage area on this side. The cooking on this part with an oven on the bottom part. And this door opens comfortably onto the outdoor dining area we have seen earlier. So it's very easy to cook, leave this door open and have an indoor-outdoor living. There is additional space under the island and under the sink area. From the dining, we get to the 3 bedrooms on the ground floor. The home is 360 square meters, which equals to about 3,800 square feet. With a total of 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. We find the first 3 bedrooms on the ground floor, easily accessible. The first one is over here with its own external access, with its large bathroom with shower through this door. The other 2 bedrooms have both their own ensuite bathroom, with the first one on this side, beautifully paved with parquet wood boards, and on this side we have pietra serena stone. The last bedroom on the ground floor is here. There is a lot of space on this side for a nice wardrobe and storage for clothes. On this other side we find a double bed, 2 windows, so lots of natural light, and the slanted ceilings as it was originally, with the exposed beams and terracotta details. This bedroom is the second one with its own ensuite bathroom, and there are a double sink and a shower. On the first floor we find again beautiful pietra serena stone, which is typical of central Italy, good heights. Through this door we find a room with a sink, ideal for a laundry area. And then we have the rest of the bedrooms. Let's start with the primary bedroom through this door. It is by far the largest room. There is of course heating and air conditioning, beautiful wood board floors that are matching all of the other wood details like the doors and the windows. I love how there are windows on 2 sides, so the room is incredibly bright with these 3 arched windows on this side. By the way, all of the windows have screens for mosquitoes, which are great to have in summer. Let's pass below this large arch, and from the bedroom area we find a little sitting or storage space with a working fireplace, an open plan bathroom with the bathtub on this side, double sink, and through this other opening we find the rest of the bathroom with the toilet and the shower. Right by the primary bedroom we find a second bedroom. Right now it's furnished with 2 single beds, as well as a view on the front side of the property and its ensuite bathroom with double sink. At the end of the hallway we find the second last bedroom, also here with 2 single beds, nice and spacious with slanted ceilings, and as well its own ensuite bathroom right by the entrance over here. It is a beautiful bathroom with the floor made out of marble, matching the swimming pool and the floors on the ground floor, a nice shower, and as well a jacuzzi. Last but not least, we find the 7th bedroom. As soon as you walk in, you find your ensuite bathroom with a sliding door to optimize space, the mosaic on the floors and walls, double sink and shower, and next it opens up onto the actual bedroom. It is incredibly bright because there are 2 windows and they are on 2 sides. Also here we find the air conditioning and heating, and the same details like in the other rooms. This is the perfect holiday retreat. We are on an excellent location with a view on the lake and always a light breeze because we are on an elevated position. The property offers its beautiful outdoor space with vineyard and olive grove, so you can produce your own wine and oil. It is of a good size. It is spacious but also manageable, with 7 bedrooms, pretty much each one with its own bathroom. The swimming pool is amazing, and the property is ideal either for a family that is large or wants to invite friends, or for a group of friends that want to enjoy this incredible location. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below and if you would like to visit the property in person. Remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!